Hi guys, in this video I'm sharing the basics of average. What is average or how can we find out average? Average is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. So what is average? Sum of observations divided by number of observations. So what are observations? Observations can be any numbers. Let us take the example subject-wise marks of a student or day-wise temperature recorded or something like that. Let us take for example day-wise temperature recorded for 3 consecutive days. Temperature recorded for 3 consecutive days. So let it be 30, 34 and 35. So these will be observations. How can we find out the average temperature for the 3 consecutive days? How we can find out? Sum of observations divided by number of observations. So what will be the sum of observations? 30 plus 34 plus 35, which is equal to 99 divided by number of observations. How many observations are there? 3 observations are there, right? So 99 by 3, which is equal to 33. So the average temperature for the 3 consecutive days is 33. Sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. So let us consider this simple question. Find the average of the numbers 33, 44, 28, 49 and 18. So how can we find out? Sum of observations divided by number of observations. So what would be the sum? 33 plus 44 plus 28 plus 49 plus 18, which is equal to 172 divided by number of observations. There are total 5 numbers. 172 by 5, which is equal to 34.4. So in this way we can find out the average of the given observations. So before discussing consecutive numbers, let us consider one more simple question. The average of 6 numbers is 92. The sum of 5 numbers is 490. Then find the 6th number. So we are given with the average of 6 numbers, which is equal to 92. The sum of 5 numbers is also given, that is 490. Then we have to find out the 6th number. We know that average is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. So sum divided by 6 is equal to 92. From that we will get the total sum of 6 numbers, which is equal to 92 into 6, 552. So we are also given with the sum of 5 numbers, that is 490. So what will be the 6th number? Just we have to subtract 490 from 552, which is equal to 62. So the 6th number will be 62. Next we will discuss consecutive numbers. What are consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers are numbers which follow a pattern. Difference between the numbers is always fixed. That is the peculiarity of consecutive numbers. So let us consider some example. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are consecutive natural numbers. 12, 14, 16, 18. These are consecutive even numbers. So 101, 103, 105. These are consecutive odd numbers. So these are consecutive numbers. The difference between adjacent numbers is always the same. Here it is 2. For even numbers also the difference would be 2. For natural numbers the difference would be 1. So these are examples of consecutive numbers. 44, 48, 52 and say 56. So these are also consecutive numbers because it follows a pattern. And the difference between adjacent numbers is what? 4. So the difference between adjacent numbers is always fixed. That is, it is 4 here. So these are also consecutive numbers. So let us have a look at how to find out average if you are given with the consecutive series. Average of consecutive numbers depends on the number of observations. So if the number of observations is odd, middle number will be the average. Number of observations is even, then the average of the middle two numbers will be the average. Consider the first 5 natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what will be the average? So here the observations are 5. It is odd. Number of observations is odd. That is 5. So it is very simple. The average of these 5 number will be 3 itself. The middle number will be the average. So what will be the average of the series 1, 2, 3 and 4? The average of the middle two numbers will be the average, is equal to 5 by 2, that is 2.5. So consider the series of number 44, 48, 52, 56 and 60. If we are told to find out the average of these numbers, what we have to do? These are consecutive numbers 44, 48, 52, 56 and 60. It follows a pattern. The difference between adjacent numbers is 4. So there are 5 numbers and the average will be the middle number. So without calculating the sum of observations and dividing it by total number, if we understood that it is consecutive series, then we can find it out without spending time. That is the middle number 52. Let us consider some simple questions based on the consecutive number series. The average of 4 consecutive odd numbers A, B, C and D respectively is 104. What is the sum of A and D? So we are given that average of 4 consecutive odd numbers is 104, given with the average, that is 104. So how can find out the series? We have to write immediately followed by and preceded by odd numbers of 104, that is 105 and 103. So we got the two numbers. There are 4 numbers, so we have to fill it up equal numbers to LHS and RHS. So what will be that? 107 and 101. So the consecutive series will be 101, 103, 105 and 107. So what will be the sum of A and D? A is 101, D is 107, which is equal to the sum of 101 and 107 is 200. Next question is the average of 4 consecutive even numbers is 27. The largest of these numbers is. There are 4 consecutive even numbers, the average of which is 27. So we have to write 27 here. Then we have to write the immediately followed by and preceded by even numbers, that is 28 and 26. So there are 4 numbers. We have to fill up equal number to the left and to the right. After 28, which is the even number, 30. Before 26, it is 24. So we got the 4 consecutive even numbers having average as 27. So what will be the largest number? 30 will be the largest number. So if you are given that average of 5 consecutive even number is 28, then how can we find out the series? There are 5 numbers. The average is 28. So if odd number of observation is there, then what is the average? Average will be the middle number. So 28 will be in that series itself. So we have to fill up equal numbers to the right and to the left to get 5 consecutive even numbers, that is 30, 32, 26 and 24. This will be the series.